right thing even when no one is watching. I repeat, integrity is doing right thing when no one is watching. My name is Bhavani, student of Dhruva College of Management, Hyderabad. SEO Black Hat Tactics refer to techniques used to manipulate search engine rankings, in which the way violate search engine guidelines. These tactics can lead to short-term gains but often lead to long-term penalties. Firstly, keyword stuffing. This involves overloading of web page with keywords to manipulate search engine rankings. Instead of creating quality content, websites stuff irrelevant keywords into their websites and content, making it unreadable and frustrating for users. Link farming. Websites engage in link streams, exchanging of buying links from other sites solely for the purpose of increasing their own search engine rankings. This manipulative tactic doesn't only prioritize user experience or content quality but also generates traffic to the website. Secondly, consequences of black hat SEO. Loss of trust and reputation. Engaging in black hat SEO damages a website credibility and also reputation. Users may disrupt a website that appears manipulative, leading to decreased traffic and conversions. Thirdly, ethical and sustainable SEO practices. Quality content creation. Focusing on creating variables, relevant and engaging content is a foundation of ethical SEO. Content that addresses users' needs, interest, naturally attracts traffic and earns high quality backlinks. Second point, white hat link building. Building relationship with reputable websites and earning backlinks through genuine outreach efforts promotes organic link growth. White hat link techniques emphasizes quality over quantity against search engine guidelines. Transparent and honest operating with transparency and integrity not only builds trust but users also ensure long-term SEO by prioritizing user experience, adhering to search engine guidelines. Websites can establish credibility and achieve sustainable growth. In conclusion, while black hat SEO tactics may offer short-term gains, they poses significant risk to website visibility, reputation, and illegal standing. Thank you, Bhavani, for it.